Let's dive into the EasySMX D05.
Budget controller, sure, but don't let the price fool you. We're testing this thing on PC and Android to see if it can handle everything from casual gaming to those sweaty palm moments. Buckle up, subscribe, and first, the unboxing. Inside the box you get the controller, a charging dock, a USB-C cable and a manual. Well, here's a heads up, there's a tiny plastic compartment in the packaging where the 2.4 GHz USB dongle is tucked away. I almost missed it and I nearly threw it out, so don't make the same mistake. Now, EasySMX calls this thing an intelligent charging dock, which, let's be honest, is just a fancy name for what looks like a basic plastic block. But here's the thing, I actually like what it does. Not only does it charge the controller, but it also has a dedicated slot for the USB dongle, keeping your setup clean. Just plug the dongle into the USB-A, connect the included cable to your PC or Mac, and boom, you're ready for wireless gaming. Now, talk design. This isn't a DualShock style layout, it's more Xbox inspired, and as a former Xbox guy, I'm all for it. Asymmetrical sticks just feel more natural to me. The matte black finish, clean. The transparent top showing off the internals, bold move. And those gold accents, a nice touch. Ergonomics are solid. It's lightweight, comfortable for long sessions and has a nice grip. Don't expect design awards, but honestly it looks better than the standard Xbox controller. Now, compatibility. This thing connects to everything: PC, Switch, Android, iOS, you name it. 2.4 GHz wireless, just plug in the dongle, drop the controller onto the dock and hold home and B for 3 seconds. You'll feel a strong vibration, don't freak out, and that's it, you're paired. Bluetooth, super simple. Hold X and home for pairing, then connect via your device Bluetooth settings. If you're on PC, look for Xbox controller, not EasySMX. I had no dropouts and the range is actually better than the Xbox controller, which was a nice surprise. Now here's a pro tip you won't find in the manual. If you're pairing with a gaming phone like this ROG 9 right here, which by the way I'll be covering in an upcoming video, so hit subscribe if you don't want to miss it. You'll need to hold home and X for 3 seconds. Then when selecting a device, don't pick EasySMX. That won't work. Instead, select Pro Controller. That's the one that actually connects. Performance, solid. I tested it on fast-paced users, racing games like Asphalt Legends Unite and even RPGs, no issues. The Hall effect sticks and triggers are the real MVPs here. No stick drift, no latency problems, and with a 1000 Hz polling rate, response time is buttery smooth, whether you're wired or wireless. For Switch users, just hold Y and home, go to change grip order, and you're in. One of the standout features, the ABXY layout switch. Whether you're gaming on PC or Switch, you can remap the face buttons to match your muscle memory. Super handy. Customization is big here. You get 11 different lighting modes, so you can tweak the RGB to match your vibe. For RGB, just press FN and right D-pad to cycle through modes, and FN plus left D-pad to adjust brightness. Some of the colors are super intense. I personally stick with blue or multicolor, and yeah, the whole controller glows like a Christmas tree. Vibration, input modes, turbo, even stick and trigger calibration, all adjustable. If you're into fine-tuning, the manual breaks it down super clearly. The programmable back buttons, a game changer for competitive play. Battery life, solid. It's got 1000 mAh battery and EasySMX claims up to 20 hours per charge, and in my testing, that's pretty much spot on. Charging takes about 2 to 3 hours, but here's the best part, the dock. Just drop the controller on when you're done. No cables, no hassle. That kind of convenience we all want. So where does this land? It's competing with some big name controllers, but undercuts them hard on price. This is literally the cheapest controller I could find that still brings a high polling rate and back buttons. Sure, there's no fancy software, but for around $40 US, it absolutely over-delivers. Great compatibility, solid build, and that dock is a game changer. So yeah, EasySMX sent this over for testing, but they gave me full freedom to share my honest thoughts, good, bad, or anywhere in between. And honestly, I really like it. Since I prefer asymmetrical Xbox layouts, this one's sticking around. I'll be using it to test all my upcoming gaming PCs. What do you think? Would you pick this up? Drop a comment below, and of course, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the future reviews.
Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.